Hello, my name is Graham Dalseg. I am a physiotherapist and a fellow of the Canadian Academy of Manipulative Physiotherapists, or CAMPT-Certified. I've been a member of CAMPT for 6 years. In my spare time, I enjoy surfing. Usually you'll find surfers on the East Coast and the West Coast, but there are a community of surfers who surf on the Great Lakes. Today I'd like to explore some of the issues that we tend to see in this population, specifically shoulder issues with all the paddling. This tends to happen when we don't have enough movement, rotation, or extension in the thoracic spine. As a CAMPT-certified physiotherapist, I can help you get better, recover faster, and stay healthier to keep you in the water catching more waves. Usually we will start by assessing the thoracic range of motion. As the paddle stroke involves a lot of shoulder mobility, we need to make sure that you have the proper extension and rotation in order to allow that shoulder to properly move. Treatment for this type of condition usually involves thoracic mobilization or manipulation to allow the shoulder to move more freely through the entire length of the paddle stroke. With thoracic mobility improved, we then spend time balancing the strength in the muscles around the shoulder. This is to ensure that there's proper control and balance through the entire motion. If you feel like stiffness through your thoracic spine is influencing your shoulder movement through either your paddle stroke or your swimming stroke, I'd be happy to help. You can find me at Grindstone Physiotherapy in Waterdown, Ontario, or at www.grindstonephysio.ca.
CAMPT-certified physiotherapists have received internationally recognized training in hands-on therapy. We can help you get better, recover faster, and stay healthier. So if you want to stay active in the things you love to do, then look for this logo. For more information on how to find a CAMPT-certified physiotherapist, visit www.manippt.org.